Guys, we finally made it up here in the rainforest. Oh, you see him? Okay.
The other area sometimes talking to animals when we're walking.
The animals?
Yeah. This
Oh.
is called Quadi Mundis.
Oh, okay, they over there?
Very often I see here walking this area. Or sometimes you hear fighting. Like
Oh,
a cat
okay.
here. Actually here is in the top of this second tree, white, second.
Right?
Top you can see one animal. Try to look by yourself.
Yeah. Here's our guide. What's your name again?
James.
This is our guide,
Nice
James.
to meet you.
James, the expert here, so he's
A
going to
little
show
bit.
us around the rainforest here.
Aces, look in the top of this tree here. Second tree, white up there. Tell me, have you seen something there? No? No. Coming this way here, beside to me here. Looking now, something you can see scratching in the top. The second white tree, second there. Has many branches together. See, Paul? Something
Yeah.
is scratching.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
This is a 3-tall slug. Oh wow. Something like a people don't know, but something kind of food, something kind of trees is the favorite food for the slug. Remember?
Right here.
So this is animal passing like a 20 hours of sleeping a day. And like something looks like a one part for the tree trunk behind it.
Yeah.
Looks like a lump. So you believe very easy to see animal here? It's not easy. So that you are here, something somewhere you can see animal.
You can't see them, but they right there in front of you.
So it's for you. Look, they hummingbird in front of you, Paul.
Yes.
Look.
I see it right here. Yep.
This is called violet-headed hummingbirds.
This right here, the one, small.
Oh,
That's
this
a
is
small
the full
bird.
grow. This is like maximum. Don't see hummingbird big in here. Only most
Yeah.
biggest like this big is called long-tailed hermit, but that's long-tailed. The
Right.
body is very tiny. We have 52 species in Costa Rica, Paul, hummingbirds.
Hummingbird, okay. Yes.
So we have Costa Rica many, including one species for your country. Migration, Costa Rica is called ruby-throated. Maybe you know ruby-throated hummingbirds.
Yes.
They come in Costa Rica on vacation.
And stayed here.
7 months Costa Rica and 6 months in your country too.
6 months in the USA,
Yes, 6 months here too.
6 months here.
It's only coming here for passing the snow in your country. I'm going to show you
Okay.
something here. So beside this bush, we're going to walk it there, bro.
Okay.
So all these flowers, very often I see everywhere. And very often I see hummingbirds. Sometimes you can see lizards coming through here because I attract many bees. I discovered before here something is especially frog.
That's a frog there.
Look at
Yep.
the size.
He blended right in with the
Yeah. This is
background.
species called gliding tree frog.
Right.
This is the male. The male like this big, the female like this big.
Is much bigger.
You need to carry the male in the back like something a week to get her safe. Gliding tree frog. There's something maybe in the forest. Look in here, in this area. Plus you can see something move up there. It's a lizard. Very often it's here. This is kind of something bush. Heliconias, we have many here in Costa Rica. Attract very good as something humming very well.
Right.
So very often it's here all the time something humming for this reason. So all this area is very often I see lizard, like a something this lizard. It's the same color like a leaf, green.
So you know where all of them are.
Yeah, just I saw one
Yeah.
kind of couple asleep in this bush. Maybe now stay very close, but like I need something little bit.
Arboreal tree frog that is right here. You can see even ribbon. Where is that? See where is the pointer?
Como lá se faz
No, ande con este en español, por favor.
Yo voy a usar, pero
Tenga
no
sus
se puede hacer.
comentarios para su persona, ¿no? Para
Está
usted.
bien. Ahorita no le hacemos nada. So all everywhere here has something here. Like if something happened here. It's very often to see here, Lisa, like a very good camouflage in here. Like an easily go slowly. Aquí, Mari.
¿Cuál es el momento aquí para presentarle a nosotros?
Ya los veo. Más bien voy a botar de una vez.
Okay, guys, we're here enjoying the. Okay, we here. This is our first leg into the rainforest. We're gonna take this here tram. You see that in shortly, all the way through, like the deepest part. But right now, this is the beginning of the rainforest. Enjoy, guys.